I have heard the mavis sing his love song to the morn. I have seen the dewdrop clinging to the rose just newly born. But a sweeter sound has cheered me at the evening's gentle close, and I've seen an eye still brighter than the dewdrop on the rose. And it's all that I'm longing for, my infant, though they be but lowly, pale and plain folk. I am far beyond the sea, yet my heart will ever be at him in dear old Scotland, wi' my ain folk. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king over the sea.